Makita is a leading brand when it comes to power tools, known for its high quality and reliable products that serve both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. So, in today's video, we'll show you some coolest Makita tools you must own. Whether you're cleaning your car or any other small space, the Makita DCL184 is the perfect tool to have in your cleaning arsenal. This cordless vacuum cleaner is perfect for all your on-the-go cleaning needs, especially when it comes to car cleaning. With its variable speed control, you have the power to adjust the suction according to your cleaning needs, allowing you to tackle everything from fine dust to stubborn debris with ease. Plus, the extendable hose can reach up to 1 meter, making it a breeze to get into those hard-to-reach spots. Aside from that, you never have to worry about running out of battery power mid-cleaning session because it has a battery capacity warning lamp that constantly keeps you notified about your health. Oh, there's also a compatible shoulder belt that ensures that you can clean for extended periods without getting fatigued. Get ready to tackle any cutting, sanding, or scraping task with the Makita DTM52Z Multi-Tool. This tool comes with a variable speed control, soft start, and constant speed control so that you can get optimal control and comfort. It also features a built-in LED job light, which provides clear visibility in dimly lit areas. Plus, the brushless motor delivers powerful performance with a longer lifespan, so you can tackle tough jobs without breaking a sweat. With the easy-to-grip small-diameter body and toolless accessory clamp, this tool lets you change the accessories quickly while on the go. And with the StarLock Max accessory compatibility, you can enjoy a secure and precise fit for maximum efficiency. Let's not forget the 12-angle settings for accessories. The DTM52Z gives you greater flexibility and precision for all your demanding tasks. Looking for a grinder that can handle heavy-duty cutting and grinding? Well, you can never go wrong with the Makita GA005G angle grinder. This tool features a powerful brushless motor capable of taking on even the most stubborn of materials with ease. And with the electric brake and anti-restart function, you won't have to worry about any unexpected surprises while operating it. The GA005G also features active feedback sensing technology, which shuts down the tool if the rotation speed suddenly slows down. Plus, with the combination of the soft start feature and on-off slide switch, you can operate this bad boy safely with just one hand. Oh, you can adjust the toolless wheel cover to any desired position anytime. Tired of fumbling with bulky and inconvenient lighting options on your job site? You better go with this Makita DML814 tower light. It's an easily transportable lighting solution that can be folded down in seconds, making for quick and safe storage. You can adjust the height of this tower light with its extendable latches, getting the perfect illumination for specific spaces. But that's not all. This cordless light features a pivoting head that allows you to set it at any angle, ensuring you set it to the exact position, and with adjustable lighting efficiency between 3,000, 1,700, and 900 lumens, you'll have precise control over the lighting in every corner of your job site. Now, let's talk about the battery-powered wheelbarrows of Makita. These tools are made for commercial purpose use and are suitable for carrying heavy, large materials around your farm, home, or project site. You can choose between 3 different models of these wheelbarrows: the flat bucket, pipe frame carrier, and dump bucket. Of course, each of the tools is different from the other one, and the difference between the 3 models is the type of loading platform and structural design. Plus, each wheelbarrow lets you select between 3 different speeds regarding the job demand. Choose the specific one you need for the job and carry more. Imagine yourself in a mid-road. Suddenly you feel a wobble in your tire and you need to inflate it right away. That's where the Makita Cordless Inflator comes in handy. This convenient tool might have a compact size, but it's perfect for topping off your bike tires on the go, as well as inflating a variety of other items like sports balls and even car tires. With its Makita-built motor that can deliver up to 120 psi capability, you can trust this inflator to get the job done quickly and efficiently. The best part of this tool is the auto stop function that ensures safe and accurate inflation while preventing overfilling issues. So, whether you're an adventurous cyclist or just someone who wants to be prepared for any situation. In confined spaces, a technician often encounters screws that are inaccessible with an electric wrench. With that in mind, Makita made this uniquely designed wrench, which is a great combination of a monkey wrench and vice pliers. This exceptionally built tool has a durable head that features grippy slits and grooved teeth to make sure of a firm grip on the screws. Plus, the locking and unlocking mechanism perfectly fixes the lock function while maintaining stability and precision from job to job. You can even use it for strip threads, too. This locking adjustable wrench also supports bolts with 5 slides. There's more. You'll also get an easy adjustment feature with the laser etch scale in SAE and metric format. Are you annoyed with the hassle and inconvenience of cords and wires when it comes to wood trimming? Say hello to the Makita RT001G cordless trimmer. This cordless tool is a lifesaver for those hard-to-reach places, as it's compatible with the bases used for the DRT50. It features a soft brake mechanism that prevents work materials from getting damaged, ensuring that your work is always of the highest quality. And that's not all. The RT001G comes with a slim and ergonomic profile so you can work more efficiently without sacrificing comfort. Thanks to the conveniently located variable speed control dial, you can match the speed to the application while holding the body, making it easy to tackle any task with precision and control. Miter saws aren't as easy to operate as they seem, but with this Makita WST07 miter saw stand by your side, you'll be able to achieve the best results possible. This stand deploys very quickly and needs no extra hassle to be assembled. Not just that, it offers easy transportability and a quick storage facility to provide you with the best convenience. Plus, you can extend the stand up to 3,830 millimeters. As a result, you can improve the work process and prevent material damage. And the wide compatibility for various miter saws will make sure you don't need to take any extra hassle when setting up. It's time to make some miter cuts. Let's conclude the list with Makita's DUC254Z top handle chainsaw. First and foremost, this saw produces as low noise as possible to ensure operator comfort. You no longer have to struggle with gas, emissions, oil mixing, and pull start, as this tool runs on a battery. But don't go on its size. This top handle saw allows you to make around 175 cuts in 2x2 seater. Thanks to its compact design, you can use this saw for wide tasks like pruning, trimming, and limbing. Oh, there's also an instant startup system that stands for quick cleanup. And when it comes to smashing some dense material, just turn on the torque boost mode and the action begins in no time. Okay, that was the list of the coolest Makita tools you must own. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.